takeoff. We're going to go ahead and fly into Winchester Municipal, which is about 45 minutes from here, give or take. I can do it in about 30 if I'm really pushing it, but 45 minutes is a good rule of thumb. And then if I had to drive this, I would probably be looking at 2 hours from where I'm at right now. So here we go. Going to record the takeoff. airport. They've got a great display case here, and these are all things that were made locally with all the manufacturers. There's Kraft Foods, White House. They make applesauce. Trex decking down here. Great decking. That's what we pulled up to Blue Ridge Electric Service. Here's the building. This building was built back in the 50s by the original founder. He was a World War II veteran. So him and his brother built this. Amazing construction. The floor beams are rough sawed oak, so it's going to last forever. And this is where we bring in a lot of the heavy industrial electric motors that the manufacturers in this area use. Lately we've been building a lot of sensors, IoT sensors, that would go on these motors so we can start monitoring them and doing some predictive analytics.